don't know what the cat doing, Bonbon. Well, this year she'd be like I think she will be a year soon. In January to all the way to December. She's gonna have a year already. In 2026. Así tema, people. Kita naman na chupan blues 5 by double burger, french fry, chicken burger. He buying a box. Bonbon. We call that cat all day long. Credit cat. The cat. Bonbon. Bonbon. Bonbon like to buy stuff. I like to bite stuff. I don't know why. She's not a dog. She's supposed to scratch, not bite. Niga bing, bing niga, niga bing. Cut my finger in the end. And you could do it all day and all night. Cut your finger in the end, and you could do it all day and all night, all along. Hoping she don't fall. So I'll put a couple boxes of these here. Right, you see these down there, then I even the boxes. But oh well. Bam. We only got 1.5 minutes. Better be quick. Hope I get a lot of likes. I got from my last video. I got 529 views and 29 like. That's a lot more than my video. I try and get a lot of likes so I can get a computer or something, hopefully, to buy something useful. Something to record, something to do something, gamer or something. To play World of Warcraft. I have a character in World of Warcraft I used to play for years ago, a long time ago, since 2000 something. I think it was 15 or 16 or 17, I'm not sure. Thought I went to 26 or 25, 2025. 26 coming the end of this month, in January, and the new year. So, balahita, nada de otro. I don't know what Bamba's trying to do with the cat. She's trying to either jump over there, or she's smelling everywhere, looking every little corner she can look. Don't go there, Bamba. That's where the cold air come in, Bamba. Bamba, there, people.